Need to rename a network adapter in Windows 11? Here's a quick guide to help you do it. Press the Windows key and the I keys together. When the Settings window opens up, tap on the Network and Internet. Now, on the right side of Settings, you will different connectivity settings. Tap on the Advanced Network Settings to access it. You will see the list of network adapters on the right side. Just expand the network adapter. To rename the adapter, click on Rename. Then, name the adapter as you like. Finally, click on Save to save the modification. This will change the name of the network adapter. Just scroll up on the same page of the Settings window, and you will see the name of the network adapter. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.